We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT to enhance your relationships in a meaningful way. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to chat.openai.com. You'll want to make sure you're logged into your account to get started. Once you're on the main page, you'll see a chat interface where you can start a conversation with ChatGPT. Now, let's say you're having a disagreement with a friend or partner, and you want to gain some perspective on the situation. You can type in a brief description of the conflict, focusing on the main points without sharing any sensitive personal information. For instance, you might say, "I've had a disagreement with my partner about household chores. I feel like I'm doing most of the work, and it's causing tension." ChatGPT can then provide you with some insights or suggest ways to approach the conversation with your partner constructively. It's important to remember that while ChatGPT can offer helpful advice, it's still just a tool, and the final judgment should always be yours. You can also use ChatGPT to brainstorm date ideas or plan activities that you both enjoy. Simply type in, "Can you suggest some fun date ideas for a weekend at home?" and see what comes up. The suggestions might include cooking a meal together, watching a movie, or starting a new hobby that both of you can enjoy. This can add some variety and spark to your relationship. Always keep in mind that ChatGPT is here to assist, but it doesn't replace professional counseling if that's what you need. Feel free to ask follow-up questions or explore different topics. The more you interact, the better the suggestions you'll receive. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.